based on what we had with Chris in this workshop, and I'm going to present you some activities that I'm going to take present from my students. So this is the school where I work. I'm from Fortaleza, and I work in a military school which belongs to the Navy. So they're prepared to become sailors, and there we offer them a basic English course which lasts 11 months. So the activities I'm going to take to them are the ones I found most appropriate to them, to the basic class I teach, and the ones I found most interesting as well. And the first one is called Decide if sentences are true or false. So they see the movie first, or part of the movie, and then they are given some sentences, and they have to decide if the sentences are true or false according to what they saw. I think it is easier than having comprehension questions because they just have to read the sentences and not to write anything. So it's easy for basic level students. Am I going too fast? Like speaking too fast? No. It's good. So the second activities, which is sequencing the events, the students are put in pairs, and they are given a set of cards, and in each card they have a verb with a picture. What they have to do is to put the verbs in the sequence they think it's going to happen in the movie. So after they put the cards in the sequence, they see the movie, and then compare the sequence they had the cards was the same that was in the movie. Like this one, we have some cards here, some samples. The third activity is describing the characters. In this activity, students are put in groups before seeing the movie, and each group is assigned a character to describe. And as they see the movie, they get all the details from the character they were assigned to describe, and then they have to describe to the class after the movie. Here are some examples of characters, famous characters from movies. The next activity is called identifying the changed words in the script. So they're given a part of a script with some words changed, and they see the movie, and they have to identify which words were changed and what words were really said in the movie. So they have to replace the changed ones to the right ones which were said in the movie. So like this, they have to cross out the ones which were not said in the movie and have to replace to the ones that were said in the movie. The fifth one is unscrambling the script. So again, they're given a part of the movie script, but all scrambled. And then they have to unscramble it. As they watch the movie, they have to put it in the right order. Like here, they're given it all unscrambled. All the pieces cut and scrambled, so they have to put it in the order it comes in the movie. The sixth activity is filling out the script. Again, they are given part of the script with some blank spaces and also a separate box with the sentences which were removed from the script in this box. So as soon as they see them, as long as they see the movie, they put these sentences in the blank spaces. They fill out, like here, have the box with the sentences which were removed, and then they have to put them in the blank spaces. The seventh activity is practicing pronunciation. So before they see the movie, they are shown some sentences which they are supposed to pay attention in the movie. And then they see the movie and pay attention to those sentences. And after that, they can practice in pairs and with the teacher, repeating after the teacher, and then repeat after the movie again. So, so the benefits of using videos are many, but the ones I found most real ones were of that it's authentic material, it's everyday language, and it's entertaining and motivating for the students to learn the language, to get motivated. And the problems are that the teacher might have problems with the equipment, like it doesn't work, or the teacher doesn't know how to deal with it. And students must have a minimum vocabulary because they need to understand and to do the activities, so they have to. So thanks for your attention.